brightens and evens skin tone. The So True Green Tea Cleansing Face Mask Stick contains green tea, which is rich in antioxidants that help to brighten and even out skin tone. It reduces the appearance of dark spots, blemishes, and hyperpigmentation, leaving your skin looking radiant and healthy. The vitamins in green tea, especially vitamin B2, can also keep your skin looking more youthful. Vitamin B2 has the ability to maintain collagen levels, which can improve the firmness of your skin. It helps cleanse pores and reduce the size of enlarged pores. Green tea helps heal pimples and reduce their appearance. It helps repair skin barrier and reverse damage. Green tea helps with soothing skin inflammation and irritation. Green tea mask. A great hydrating face pack to try is this green tea face mask infused with aloe vera gel. Simply stir in a teaspoon of green tea into a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and you can also add a drop of tea tree oil to it. Apply this mixture to your face and rinse it off after 15 minutes.